Hi, welcome back. What I want to talk to you about today is investment cycles, because investment cycles are really the foundation of how we build wealth. And although I've got Bitcoin investment cycle up here, um, that's because this is part of a separate presentation that I've been doing. I want to talk really about the cryptocurrency market, because the cryptocurrency market is currently in a boom period. We all know that when Bitcoin goes up, all the other currencies follow suit. So I want to talk a little bit about what's going on and where I see the market at the moment. If you are new to me, to what I actually coach in the wealth market, I use what I call an investment cycle. Okay, so this is the high. So this is when it's gone up in value, it's reached its peak, and then it starts to come down. And as an investor, what I'm trying to do is buy down here in the low. Right, because what I want is I want to get stuff at the low price, and I want to get this growth here because this gives me phenomenal growth. And I either hold on and ride the cycle going back down again, or I sell before I think it's reached its peak. I want to get out. Other people are going to want to come into the market, and I want to make my money. So this is really the whole thing that I look at. And what I do is I actually measure where I believe this is. And I've got to say, this is only my interpretation. Someone else may believe that it's somewhere else. They may have a different concept of what is going on. So this is purely my interpretation of where I think the markets are at the moment. And certainly with Bitcoin, it's here. Right? I believe we're moving off this low that we've had. We have seen this quick growth coming in. And I think we're right down here and going to see the crypto market continue for quite some time. And there's a reason that I believe that is happening. One is because of the introduction of ETFs this year, because that meant that the SEC validated Bitcoin as an asset. And by doing that, it allowed institutional investors to come into the market. They are creating a huge demand on Bitcoin. But by showing that it can be accepted as an asset, you've also got individual investors who are going to be start coming into the market. So we are here right at the bottom of the cycle at the moment. It's starting to go up. And my belief is that this is going to continue climbing. And I my belief here is that this is going to be the start of what could possibly be a 10-year growth cycle. Now, the reason that I'm looking at 10 years is because by 2034, 99% of Bitcoin will be mined. It'll take roughly 100 years to mine the 1% that's left. And I think that we're going to see Bitcoin go up. Now, that doesn't mean it's not going to come down. I've got to clarify that, because nothing goes up in a straight line. It up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, and if you do charting with me, you'll understand how we look at trend lines, we look at the lows, we can see ideas of where we think it's going. We use a lot of tools besides just trend lines. But what we're looking at here, I believe, is the start of a growth period for not only Bitcoin, but for cryptocurrency in general. Ethereum, there's lots of applications in for Ethereum to be an asset. That in itself is moving Ethereum up. Most coins follow Bitcoin when that goes up. So we got Bitcoin, is now validated by the SEC. If Ethereum becomes validated by the SEC, we're going to see huge growth there too. And the whole foundation of cryptocurrency, if you think of Bitcoin as granddad, you think of Ethereum as grandma, they are going to be pushing this huge growth period within the cryptocurrency cycles. So for me, cryptocurrency is in a prime location. When you understand the investment cycles and you see opportunities, you want to get in and take advantage of them. Now, I just have to clarify here, I am not a financial advisor. This is my personal opinion. If you're going to invest, then you need to get your own advisors who can tell you what to invest in, how to invest. But for my own personal opinion, what I'm investing in now is very much the time that I am starting to re-enter the cryptocurrency market. I had been out for quite a while. I came out when it hit the top around the 60-odd thousand mark. I gradually came out and I've been slowly building, but now is definitely the time that I'm getting in because I see this huge growth potential over the next 10 years or more. So I just wanted to explain how investment cycles, how I use them, and how I determine when I'm buying in or getting out of the market.